Hey everyone, are your Steam games refusing to launch? Don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to fix this issue. If you find this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Let's get started. Step 1. Verify integrity of game files. First, open the Steam app and head to your library. Locate the game that's not launching. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process might take a few minutes, but once it's done, check if the issue is resolved. If not, move on to the next step. Step 2. Clear Steam cache files. In Steam, click on Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. Navigate to the Download section and click Clear Download Cache. Confirm your choice and Steam will restart, requiring you to log back in. For many, this will fix the issue. But if your game still won't launch, let's try something else. Step 3. Update your drivers if the issue persists. Make sure all your drivers are up to date, especially your graphics drivers. For NVIDIA or AMD users, visit their respective websites to download the latest drivers. Install the updates and restart your computer. Driver updates can resolve compatibility issues that prevent games from launching. Step 4. Restart your PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can solve the problem. Click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner, tap the power button, and select Restart. Once your PC restarts, open Steam and try again. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps worked, uninstall and reinstall the game. Go to your library, right-click the game, and select Manage, then Uninstall. Confirm your choice and the game will be removed. Once uninstalled, find the game in your library and click Install. After reinstalling, launch the game to see if the issue is resolved. By following these steps, your Steam game should be up and running. If you're still having trouble, let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to help. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.